Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 Pro and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer, then find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon. And let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. All we have to do is to tap on this circle and the camera icon. And now we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will choose this option. Now let's find the photo we'd like to use, and as you can see here in this step we can change the size of this highlighted square, we can change the position of it, and thanks to it we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted square is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, the photo has been immediately applied, so remember to tap on save icon in the right upper corner again. And this is our contact with the photo assigned. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.